So how you can make your first $500 to $2,000 or $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing using Clickbank or any other high quality affiliate network. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, right? Over here, I'm making 1,000, 1,500, $2,000 per day. As you can see over here, right? So this is all daily commissions with affiliate marketing. But how the heck am I able to do this? And you watching this video, how you can copy and paste and basically duplicate, right? Duplicate the same system for yourself. Either be it $2,000 per week or $2,000 per day. Entirely up to you. Let's go straight into it, okay? Before that, you can find me over here on my Instagram, right? So if you're watching this video, you can reach out to me over here. You can see, right? I'm always sharing my lifestyle, my results, thanks to affiliate marketing. All this is possible because of affiliate marketing, because I learned paid traffic, right? How to run Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and make huge affiliate commissions. As you can see over here, right? Bali, Australia, Turkey, Jordan, Egypt, all these countries, right? Greece. It's possible because of affiliate marketing. And I want the same thing, like first class ticket, business class ticket, lifestyle for yourself, right? As you're watching this video right now. So how I'm able to do it, let me show you over here. So let's go straight into it, right? The first thing is, let me tell you this. This is for you if you are, first of all, sick and tired of all the bullshit, all the BS out there about how to make money online, all the scams, all the gurus teaching you something that doesn't work, that used to work many years ago, but now doesn't work anymore, right? So if you're action taker, and if you're ready to invest at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars or more, this can actually help you to make $10,000 or $20,000 per month in profit with affiliate marketing as a beginner. So imagine this, if you could have a magic wand, right? And you could be making $500 to $1,000 per day and work like me 1 hour to 2 hours per day, right? So I usually spend 1 hour to 2 hours per day checking my Google ad campaign or Facebook ads and seeing what is working, am I losing money, how much I lost, how much I make profit, and then adjust my headlines, my campaigns, my creatives accordingly to the data that I'm getting from all the tracking tools, right? So that's how it works, right? You don't have to spend a lot of time doing it. And of course, traveling the world. As I'm showing you, I'm traveling the countries every single month. So thanks to affiliate marketing again, right? Now, the next thing is why I use Google Ads. The number one reason is because of buyers' intent, right? We are looking for buyers, for people who actually buy stuff, right? Imagine this, you're walking inside a shopping mall. You have two types of audiences. Some people are only window shoppers, right? You know that. Sometimes you go to the shopping mall, you just don't buy anything. You just look through the windows. But other people, they wake up in the morning, they write down on the list what they want to buy, and they go straight to the shopping mall and they buy exact product. So see, my friend, this is what we are looking for. We are looking for the buyers who actually buy products, right? So it's always quality over quantity. You don't need to have tons of clicks. You don't have to spend a lot of money on Google Ads. What we are looking is quality traffic, which is basically buyer's intent. And that's the name of the game when it comes to affiliate marketing, of course. So my 3-step system is this, as you can see over here, right? Pick a product on Clickbank, MaxWeb, or any other high-ticket affiliate network, and I'm showing you when we work together one-on-one over the Zoom, I'm sharing with you what products are converting well for me. Pick a product, let's make done for you affiliate website, 5-page website with 5 pre-sale points, right? We want to have conversions. So you have to understand what audience language they're using, right? A little bit of what mindset they're in, psychology, and then we can have the right message to the market match. The right message to the market match. And then we get paid. So you have two choices right now as you're watching this video and listening to my voice. You can do it on yourself. You can say, no, I don't want to pay anything to team. I don't want to join any coaching. I don't want to have a mentor. That's entirely up to you. You can keep losing money. You can spend thousands of dollars, trial and error. Maybe it can work, maybe not. I don't know. Or other choice is get results quickly. Get results now and fast. So as you're watching this video, I think you're smart because you're watching, you know that it makes a whole lot more of sense if you have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way, hand holding you, and basically help you to remove all the speed bumps along the way, right? Google ad account shut down, not making any money, getting stuck, all the headaches and pain away, and actually, look, have someone to tell you, do this, do that, and in 1 week you're up and running, okay? I don't think you have time to sit on your ass for straight 8 weeks, 6 weeks, watching some stupid video course on how to do it yourself, and then find out it doesn't work. It's outdated. You got your account shut down, and now you're stuck, right? So it's your choice. Now, if you really want to have this kind of lifestyle, as I'm sharing with you, I want to tell you why I'm teaching this, why I'm sharing this with you, because I always love to be a student. I'm always a student that I always know new things to learn, and if I help you, I help myself. Basically, I know what works, what doesn't, what campaigns are producing results, and what are making losses. Another thing is, I learn and I earn more, and because I love people. Jim Rohn and Zig Ziglar said, if you help enough people get what they want in life, you will get what you want in life. And that's true, long-term, real relationships. Now, who this is not for? If you're watching this video, right? This is not for you if, watch this, if you're an excuse maker, if you procrastinate and wait, never pull the trigger, and if you're not willing to invest at least minimum $1,000 to $5,000 or more, right? Imagine you go to work, you build hotel or restaurant, you have to spend tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars to start. Here, with Clickbank or affiliate marketing, low ticket or high ticket, you start for $5,000 or 3,000 euros or $10,000, whatever you want, and you can make 10,000 or 20,000 euros per month. I mean, that's magic. That's unbelievable, but it works. But you have to take action now as you're watching, right? So if you hate money, you will not take action. Definitely not. So what to do now? You can connect with me one-on-one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe over here or over there. And you can join my private email list. Links are below this video. And you can reach me out on my Facebook, Instagram, right? Instagram, DM, WhatsApp, and email. So let me know, all the links in the description below, and let's make something happen.